Number 1, choose all of the causes of World War I. A. Militarism. B. Alliances. C. Imperialism. D. Nationalism. Number 2, what was the final event that sparked World War I? A. The invasion of Belgium by Germany. B. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie. C. The sinking of the Lusitania. Number 3, match the alliance systems with their correct countries. Column A, 1. Central Powers. 2. Allies. Column B, Austria-Hungary, Germany and the Ottoman Empire. England, France, Russia, and later Italy and the US. Number 4, fill in the blank with the correct word from the word boxes below. The main area of fighting during World War I took place along blank: the coast of Africa, the Eastern Front, the Western Front, the beaches of Mexico. Number 5, true or false? The United States wanted to remain neutral at the start of World War I. True, false. Number 6, why were Americans angry about the Lusitania? A, it was a letter sent by Italy to try to get Canada to invade the US. B, a German submarine sank a passenger ship which killed many Americans. C, President Wilson looked to send troops to Europe without permission from Congress. Number 7, what was the final event that brought the US into World War I? A, the Zimmerman telegram. B, the sinking of the Lusitania. C, an assassination attempt on President Wilson by German immigrants. Number 8, what events led to the U.S. joining World War I? Choose all that are correct. A, the sinking of the Lusitania. B, the Zimmerman telegram. C, the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie.